Welcome back, guys. We are going to learn how to rename or move files. All right, and to move or rename files, use the command mv. Okay, mv means move. You can use this command to perform the moving of files from one location to another. You can also use it to rename files. All right, we have already discussed about it when we are working with folders. Let me do ls in this directory, guys, so you will see what I have. I have some files and folders as well. Let's move package.json into the test folder. Let's move it into the test folder. So what I'm going to do here, I type move package.json, move it into the test folder. Move it into the test folder just like this. So the first argument you pass here is the file or folder you want to move. In this case is the file, which is package.json, and the second argument is where you want to move it to. So let me press enter. Okay, there is no error. If I do ls now, you are going to see that the package.json is no longer available in my current directory. If I press enter, you see package.json is gone and it should be inside the test folder now. If I do ls the test folder, then you can see that there is package.json inside it. Okay, so we just move it. Let's see how to rename the file. Let me clear the screen ls to see what I have in this current working directory. So I have some sample video here. Okay, so this sample video.mp4, let's rename it. So I will say move. So it's the same function or the same command to move or rename files. I want to move sample, that is rename it sample.mp4. The new name now is going to be test.mp4. From sample video.mp4 to test.mp4. Let me press enter. Let me do ls now. Do you see now it has renamed sample video.mp4 to test.mp4. That is how to rename or move files from one location to another. Thank you for watching this video.